Meet the Oppo Find X8 Ultra. This thing is stacked. Like, if you had unlimited budget and a blank spec sheet for 2025, this is what you'd write down. Let's start with the basics. Snapdragon 8 Elite chip? Check. How about 16 gigabytes of RAM and a terabyte of storage? Yep. A ridiculously bright, high refresh rate AMOLED display with razor-thin bezels? Of course. Then there's the battery, 6,100 mAh, but thanks to silicon carbon tech, it's still slim. And it charges at 100 watts wired, 50 watts wireless, plus reverse charging. Dead to full in about 40 minutes? Yeah, it's that good. But the real showstopper? The cameras. Oppo went all out. The main shooter has a 1-inch sensor the same size as some point-and-shoot cameras. It's 63% larger than the iPhone 16 Pro Max's sensor and 69% bigger than the Galaxy S25 Ultras. Then there's the 3x telephoto with a sensor 300% larger than the S25 Ultras. Oh, and there's another telephoto at 6x plus a massive ultrawide and a dedicated chroma sensor for perfect white balance. 5 cameras total. It's insane. In real-world use, this hardware delivers. The larger sensors mean way more light, so low-light shots are cleaner, and the depth of field is so shallow it almost feels like a DSLR. The 3x telephoto doubles as a macro lens and the 120x zoom? It's mostly for fun, but with some AI magic it can actually read text from crazy far away. Video's no slouch either, 4K 120 frames per second Dolby Vision from both the main and 3x cams. Now, the design's pretty tame, just a sleek, flat-edged slab with a big camera bump. But there are some interesting choices. Oppo swapped the alert slider for a customizable action button. Sound familiar, iPhone fans? And there's this touch-sensitive strip on the side for zooming, kinda like camera control on the latest iPhones. It's cool, but I kept triggering it by accident. Then there's ColorOS 15. It's good, but let's be real, Oppo's shameless with the iOS copying. The Settings app, Dynamic Island knockoff, even AirDrop that you need an app on the iPhone to make it work. It's funny, but also a reminder, outside the US, phones compete on hardware, not just ecosystems. This is what happens when a brand goes all in on specs and borrows the best software tricks. Price? No official number yet, but with the Find X8 Pro at $800, this'll likely hit 1,000 plus. And honestly, it's worth it. The bar for 2025 flagships just got raised. So what do you think? Would you rock this beast of a phone? Drop a comment, and if you want to see real-world camera samples, check out my next video. Catch you later.